In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Drive from syncing automatically. If you've ever found yourself frustrated by Google Drive eating up bandwidth by syncing files when you least expect it, this guide is for you. We're going to walk through the steps to take control over your syncing settings, ensuring your system runs smoothly without those unexpected interruptions. First, you'll need to sign in to your Google Drive account. Open your preferred web browser, type in Google Drive Sign In, and log into your account with your credentials. If you're not already logged in, this is an essential step because we need access to the application settings to proceed. Once you're signed in, direct your focus to your taskbar, typically located at the bottom of your screen. Here you'll find the Google Drive icon, which might look like a small triangular symbol. Go ahead and click on this icon. If it's hidden, just expand the hidden icons using the small arrow that usually points upwards. Clicking on this icon will pop up a menu with several options related to your Google Drive account. What we're interested in here is the Settings menu, which you can access by clicking on the gear icon. This gear icon is universally recognized as the entry point of settings options for many applications, not just Google Drive, so it will likely look familiar to you. Next, when you click on the gear icon, you'll see a menu appear with a couple of choices. In this menu, locate the option labeled Pause Syncing. Clicking this will tell Google Drive to stop syncing your files automatically. It's a very handy feature when you want to pause everything, which can be especially useful if you're noticing the syncing process is consuming significant network resources or slowing down your work. Bear in mind, however, that pausing syncing is just that, a pause. If you want syncing to remain paused permanently, you'll need to remember to come back here and resume it manually whenever you wish to sync again. This setting doesn't stop the sync process forever, but merely pauses it until you decide to turn it back on. And there you have it. Stopping Google Drive from syncing automatically can help improve your computer's performance and allows you to allocate bandwidth where you need it most. Regularly managing and customizing your Google Drive settings can really empower you with control over your digital environment, eliminating those pesky surprises. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.